Yet Shasi hurting and Madame catching up.
Hangget, beli fifim ngay se.
Pagkabahay ba naman gan? Nrete broshing emin hapsinyog tang itak pop. Perhikam babhajo ni.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
UMLA Jongada Dengre constituency Rupa Marak Ulawanra ke jingkli hiyang dorbat hawan ke jilla bankili hato kalong ni em ke badan kam ba usyap ubasna top umru unde ubabit babyang bar ubladap tes syuan penan kam haba jubab ya kani menteri keteran PHE Marcus Marak Ulang bakade ke jing shisha baya usyap ru dan kam bantes syuan penan kam habasna top bar ulang baya kani ke sarkar ke jubhat tes hake NIT Rupa Marak Ulang Bakladan ke jinja baka top kebelas na ka kelem no baka daw ka na marba usyap lapan kam uday belasyu sebet nawa klem dale yakates. Halo kani Menteri Sarkar Ulang baladalap bakidan ki kontraktor ki penken ya kan dikendon balada yo jing ujur persya yaki ke sarkar kan penjitom yaki. Ya mentau Ulang baka sarkar kedan jing temu bantau no de laboratory lajong bantes ya usyap syabante yakino ki jingtei.
Mr. Speaker, sir, answer to start question 55. Yes, sir.
Your question, please.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, PHC, how the quantity and safety standards of the same is checked by the department?
Sir, this is purely technical in nature, so I'll be going through some of the points so that Honorable Member August House will be able to ascertain how it is being determined. Sir, the standard of sand used in construction is very important, and it is vital for the strength, durability, overall performance of the mortar and concrete. Poor standard/quality of sand may lead to failure of the structure, increase the cost of maintenance, and reduce the lifespan of the structure. Therefore, the PHE department has been publishing guidelines for design, schedules of rates in water supply system, containing specifications of materials in conformity with Indian standard to guide in the preparation and design of water supply projects. The sand should be clean and free from mud, silts, and should be gritty in nature. The fine modules should not be less than 2.2 or more than 3.2. In case of any doubt in respect of any sand obtained from new quarry, the executive engineer may get it tested and satisfy of the quality. Following limits may be taken as guidance. Fine sand, fineness module, that is 2.2 to 2.6. Medium sand, fineness modules, 2.6 to 2.9. Coarse sand, fineness modules, 2.9 to 3.2. Simple on-site test for sand quality is generally carried out by the PHE department under the supervision of the officers at level of SDOs and JEs. Visual inspection, checking for uniform grain size, and ensure that there are no visible impurities like clay lumps or organic matter or stones. Hand feel test, also called the rubbing test. Rubbing and sand between fingers to check for stickiness or clay-like texture. If it feels sticky or leaves a residue, it likely contains too much clay or silt. In situ jar test, a simple test to check for silt content by observing the sediment layer after settling. Sir.
Thank you for the reply. And I would like to ask another supplementary question. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether there is any lab which tests the quality of sand in Meghalaya?
Sir, for testing this, we are depending on NIT, sir, time to time. But we are intending to set up these laboratories in Shillong, Tura, and Hawaii, sir.
And further supplementary question, sir. Whether sand testing is being conducted even for small water tanks, water tank projects in the village levels?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Why I asked this question is, sir, I happen to witness that in the village levels, sands are being extracted randomly from the river without being tested. So I fear it may not be safe. That's why I asked this question. And because of these safety issues, lives can be lost. As I also have lost my mother in 2024 as a water tank had collapsed on her. So another question, may I know whether there is any regulatory order making sand testing mandatory by the department?
Sir, normally sand quality testing for construction works under PHE department is sent to NIT and other private laboratories for analysis. The contractors awarded with turnkey contract carried out the entire necessary test as per the provisions of the contract document and in line with IS specifications, sir.
I was asking about whether there is any regulatory order from the department for sand testing.
Yes, while the contracts are being awarded, sir, it is being directed, as I have gone through one of the para here, whoever is getting the turnkey contract awarded, they are mandatory to send the testing to the NITs, sir.
May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge
Last question.
whether there is any action being taken on those contractors who doesn't abide by the regulatory order by the department?
So definitely, sir, on receipt of any complaints, such complaints, we will definitely take the action, sir.
Yes, Vice Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for the elaborate reply as far as the quality of sand is concerned. I would like to highlight one incident where recently I paid a spot inspection with the officials from the PHE as far as the construction of the dam for JJM is concerned within my constituency in Lom Shillong, Shillong. Upon the spot inspection, what I found is in one of the main dam, which has just been constructed, not even 1 year, on the spot, we found out that there has already been leakages. So I really don't know whether the Honourable Minister is aware of these lapses that is occurring, especially not just maybe in my constituency, but it might occur anywhere. So it raised doubts when from the reply from the Minister, it is so elaborate that even for sand testing, it is being sent to NIT. And the quality of work should have been top class. But then what we find on the ground, it is completely different. So may I know from the Honourable Minister if he is aware of this incident and what action has been taken to the contractors?
Sir, for the information of August House, sir, specifically while implementing JJM, it is a mandatory from the Government of India that order has come out that before making any payments, there's a third party, and that third party engineering group, they have to certify the quality of work that has been executed. So therefore, sir, based on their recommendation, the payments are made. So in this case situation, particular situation, I'm not been informed, sir. I would urge honorable members, if you find any such irregularities in your constituencies, please make it a point to report it to me so that I can place for inquiry or necessary actions can be taken. Thank you, sir.
So, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister concerned. And in fact, from my side, because I went for the spot inspection and I've already put a complaint before the officers on the spot. So if the need arises, then I will come to you. Thank you.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.